Hi guys, as you see from the title, we are going to talk about my Crocs traumatizing story, which sounds pretty dramatic, but it's a real story. That is basically how I started getting into minimalism. This is actually back when I just started having a corporate job and having a taste of, my own adult money. I wanted to buy myself a pair of Crocs because it was pretty trending at that time. This was back in 2022. Bits on the Crocs and just having like the latest Croc design. I had a specific pink Crocs, okay? I will look it up and just add it somewhere over here. When I saw them, I just wanted them. They're like the perfect girly pair of Crocs that any girl would love. And I loved it, obviously. I was a girly girl. I wanted those pink Crocs. I got them. Okay, so I got paid and I wanted to treat myself. I was like, okay, this is my first salary, and no one's gonna tell me that no, you can't have it. Everything I asked before that, I would ask my parents to send me money. And this time, no one had to tell me no. So I bought it. Okay. And trust me, when I received those Crocs, I was so happy. I wore them so much. Like, I had them, I think, for a total of 6 months. Okay. Before the actual horror happened. I used to wear it every single day. Like, even for normal, like, grocery shopping across the street, I would wear my Crocs. They were like my go to because they're like perfect to go on vacation also with, because literally they are beach friendly. If you wear it to the beach, you basically can like get a free wash out of it. So every vacation I would wear it. Yeah. Now the thing is, I used to wear it everywhere. So my job, 80% traveling, so I would wear them when I travel also. This day I had to use a train transportation. I had a big suitcase with me, so I kept my suitcase up. While climbing the stairs, I was getting on the steps to get into the coach. That is where my leg kind of tripped on the stairs and it fell between the railway tracks. What happened? I was like, shit, like it is gone. I can't do anything because I was already running late, okay, to catch the train. I enter with like one foot with my Crocs and one foot barefoot on the freaking 3AC train of Indian Railway, which was so fucking gross. It was so disgusting, okay, but that happened, and then it was, I think, the biggest heartbreak. And yeah, I never got those Crocs back, obviously, because I had to go by that train. I couldn't just like wait for the train to pass by and get my Crocs. And I don't know, I came back to that railway station, came back from the trip, and I didn't see it there. Obviously, why would it be there? After that, it made me realize that something that you cherish so much can be taken away from you so easily. So now I actually look for affordable alternatives. If I really like a style, I just go for a dupe of that item, especially like footwear and clothing, because they are things that you keep changing, they get worn out and you have to buy one eventually. So yeah, that's my little story. It made me realize that after that I never bought an expensive footwear, except maybe shoes are something that I invest in, but like sandals or something, I'll never spend so much, because that traumatizing incident made me realize that you shouldn't really spend too much money on anything that is not long term. I think the only item that I've actually spent a lot of money is my phone, which I'm filming on, because I feel like that is worth the investment than things that are easily replaceable. All right, take care. Bye bye.